Hello to all friends. Today we will see an easy but interesting After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn an image exposure using small squares. You can create this revelation easily and in less than 5 minutes. I hope you like this tutorial and watch it till the end. Please like the videos and leave me a comment. Thankful. Now we see the question of this video. Which effect in After Effects does this for us? Let's see the question of this video again. With which effect can this be done? Hello friends. We have reached the time to see the answer to the question of this video. As you can see in the picture, the effect used in this quiz is zoom spiral. By changing the spiral start angle, you can adjust the amount of rotation of the logo when moving forward. I hope this tutorial is useful for you and you like it. Write me your opinion about the quiz of each video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.